tec.nicum is the service division of the Schmersal Group. The services of tec.nicum can be accessed around the globe. We advise and support our customers in all matters relating to machine safety. Our service offer comprises 4 segments, which can be ordered individually or as a complete package: tec.nicum Academy, tec.nicum Consulting, tec.nicum Engineering, tec.nicum Integration. The tec.nicum experts advise manufacturers and users of machines and systems worldwide in very different industries. Our consulting is absolutely product and manufacturer neutral. The consulting services include the evaluation of existing machines within the framework of a risk assessment. In addition, the tec.nicum specialists carry out risk assessments and a comprehensive evaluation of all hazards on newly constructed or modified machines and systems. From the very beginning, tec.nicum Engineering supports the client in developing the best possible design with regard to machine safety. With measurements and technical tests, we prove that all safety functions comply with the normative requirements. We have extensive experience from a wide range of industries, not only in the planning but also in the installation of complex protective devices. We install protective devices for our customers and integrate safety components into their machines. An essential element of the tec.nicum range of services is the tec.nicum Academy. It offers a comprehensive training and seminar program on topics of machine and plant safety, such as legal issues, special standards, or safety-oriented design.